Hello everyone, this is a Touareg V10 twin turbo, and last night I went to gym and I tried to start the car and it didn't. So there was nothing, all the lights, everything works, and but when you press the button or even with the key, nothing would happen. So I'll check all the fuses, I checked the battery power, I did everything, but the car didn't start. So what I did, actually, I went back and opened the battery and checked all the fuses. I even changed the relay. So when I opened the battery, I checked the battery, it was fine. So I decided to take one of these, the front one, take it out, this cable. I think it's the positive one, I'm not sure, or maybe negative. I decided to take this one out and leave it for a few minutes. So I took it out and put it back. The car started right away. I hope you don't struggle, and this video would help you fix your car. So there was no light coming to the dash, but all the other radio, everything was working. Battery was good. So that's the front battery. Just take it out for 2 or 3 minutes and put it back again. You'll be fine. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.